Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails. This is another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Basically, I'm going to show you guys how to ring your bird. I've got a young bird here in my hand. It's a female young dove. So I will try my best to show you how to ring them. The best ring you can get to ring your bird is the clip-on kind. As you can see, it just clips on dead easy, and it doesn't hurt the bird when you're clipping it on. So I don't know how I'm going to do this because it's only me making this video, so there you go. So if you get the leg like that, it's easy to do. Clip it on to the leg. It's easier if you get someone else to film it, and because I'm doing it by my left hand, it's so easy to clip on. There you go. Simple. It's clipped on, and what you need to do is just clip it into place like that, and there you go. It's easy to do, and they're the best rings, and you can get them from your Pitson fancier or breeding people. So, and it's dead easy to do. So that's how you ring your birds. And I put a yellow one on because it's a young female, as you can tell by the beak. So we'll put it back into the AV with the others. I'll just put a fresh bowl of water down for them to bath in. And that's how you can ring your birds. It's dead easy to do. It doesn't hurt them, and that's the best ring to do. Just clip them on because it doesn't hurt the bird, and it stays on for a long time. I'll be clipping more of my young birds. I just need to find out if they're males or females. They love having the red backs, as you can see. The young ones that I've transferred in here a few weeks ago are doing really well. I'll show you guys what's going on in the back. we've got 2 babies in here. I haven't checked today, but okay. Yeah. That's the mother being very protective. Okay. So yeah, they was born hatched this week. They're only a few days old, so got 2 babies in there. We've got a new nest in there. She's on 1 egg, but I don't think it'll hatch, but we'll see what happens. Let the mother get back into the nest. We've got another nest here. She's on 2 eggs, so I think we've got another week to go until they hatch, so we've got a new nest in here. She is a first time parent. She's hooked up, or she's paired up with half fantail, half brown pitson. So we'll see if the eggs will hatch. So yeah. We've got another nest in there. Again, we've got a new nest. We've got 2 babies in here again. They hatched last week. They're only a few days old. And yeah, we'll see what happens. They hatched the same time as the ones down in the box, so they're like the same days. So yeah, I've got a lot of nests and babies in here, which is good. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe on my channel. Give my videos a big thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. And yeah, so another update video coming soon, so look out for that. And yeah, thank you to my new subscribers. Hope you're enjoying the channel. Please check out all my old videos and new videos. You'll love my old videos that I made, so check out them. If you've got any questions about my doves, or any questions about your doves, or how to look after them, care for them, I'll try my best to answer them, so leave your questions down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video, and thank you guys for watching, and look out for another update video coming soon.